Okay, this is the text Australian sites on page 120 in your book. Australian sites. When people say they come from down under, it means that they are from Australia. The name Australia means of the south. It is the smallest continent in the world. Here you see the map of Australia. Sydney is the biggest city in Australia. The famous Sydney Opera House was designed by the Danish architect Jørn Utzon. The building was finished in 1973. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Parliament House was built in 1988 and cost $1 billion. It is the most expensive building in Australia. The Uluru. Uluru, or Ayers Rock, is in the Northern Territory. It is a huge rock of red sandstone. Uluru is sacred to the Aboriginal people of the area. Australia is the only country in the world that has wild kangaroos. The female kangaroo carries her baby in her pouch. And this is a pouch, and this is the Joey. Joey is the baby kangaroo. Koalas live in trees. They eat eucalyptus leaves. These leaves are so juicy that they hardly ever need to go down to the ground to drink. They're cute, right? Australians have their own form of football. It is called Australian rules football. The players can kick the ball or hand pass it to each other. Surfing is a very popular sport in Australia. Thousands of people come to Surfers Paradise to try the waves. Okay, that was the text Australian sites from page 120 to 123.